Hi friends, I am SV. Today we will see Class 8 Light. Everyone should know that what makes things visible. Eyes alone cannot see object. If a light forms object enters our eyes, we can see object. The light may emit or reflect from the object. Wow! Laws of reflection. First one. The light ray which strikes any surface is incident ray. 2. The ray that comes back from the surface after reflection is reflected ray. 3. The line making 90 degree to line representing the mirror at the point where incident ray strikes mirror is normal. 4. Angle between normal and the incident ray is angle of incident. 5. Angle between normal and reflected ray is angle of reflection. 6. Angle of incident always equal to angle of reflection. 7. The incident ray, the normal at the point of incident and the reflected ray all lies in the same plane. 8. An image formed by a mirror, the left of the object appears on a right object appears in a left. This is called lateral inversion. 9. When all the parallel rays are reflected from a rough or irregular surface are not parallel, the reflection is known as diffused or irregular surface. 10. The reflection from the smooth surface like mirror is called regular reflection. I know you people are very curious to learn about what is inside our eyes. Let's see. Eyes is an important sense organ. Eyes has spherical shape. Outer core of eyes is white in color. It is tough and protective interior eyes. Transparent front part is called cornea. Dark muscular structure behind the cornea is iris. Small opening is pupil. Size of pupil is controlled by iris. Iris is a part of eye which gives distinctive color. If a person has green eye, it refers to color of iris. It controls amount of light entering the eye. Now let's see eyes. Retina contains several nerve cells. Sensation felt by nerve is transmitted to brain through optic nerve. Let's see about cataract. Some can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see distant objects and vice versa. These defects can be corrected by lens. In olden ages, eyes become foggy due to cataract. Opaque lens is removed and new artificial lens is inserted. Cells. There are two types of cells, cone and rod. Cone are sensitive to bright light, rods are sensitive to dim lights. Now let's see about blind spot. Cone sense color. At the junction of the optic nerve and the retina, no sensory cell. No vision possible at that spot. It is called blind spot. Impression of image does not vanish from retina. It remains for 1/16 of second. Let's see some interesting fact about movies. Image of moving object are flashed on eye at the rate of 16 per second. Movies and separate pictures. They are made to move at 24 pictures per second. So they appear as moving picture. Eye slits prevent object from entering eyes. It shuts light when not needed. It can see distance and nearby object. It varies with age. We have to read at 25 cm distance. Let's see care for eyes. Use suitable spectacles. Bright or dim light causes headache. Don't look at sun directly. Never rub eyes. Wash with water to remove dust. Read at normal distance. Eat vitamin A rich food, example curd, cheese, egg, etc. It's time for Braille code. Visually impaired can read and write. There is Braille code for blind peoples. They first learn with letters and later with special characters. Text can be produced by hand or machines. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe. If any lessons needed, comment in the comment box. Thank you.